Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX. The 29 has been a very popular boat for us. It's like the ultimate day boat. This one does have the new Verados on it, which are really awesome. This particular one's got the big 250s right here. This is also joystick docking. That the engines will work with and against each other as far as docking the boat. Makes it very, very easy. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the options. As you can see here, this one does have the beautiful two-tone gel coat. We've got SeaDek in the back here, which is very durable. Doesn't get hot, very easy to take care of. Huge loungers in the back. We've got our seating on our port side, very comfortable. So as you can see, if you're entertaining, if you have a big family or like to take, 8, 9, 10 people out with you, there's plenty of room for everybody. These seats roll fore and aft to give you the ultimate in comfort, if you will. This one does have your SIMRAD right here. All the diagnostics on the boat are controlled through your SIMRAD. Fully enclosed head with overboard discharge, dockside discharge. You get your sink inside there, very good headroom. In the front of the boat, as you can see, the bow's kind of squared off. That gives you more interior space. This one also has a windlass, real nice color combination as well. So super nice family boat, great boat for entertaining or taking out larger crowds. This one does have the sports arch right here, and that actually can cantilever down, if you will, if you've got some bridges you've got to go underneath. So anyways, very, very popular boat located here at MarineMax in Venice. My name is Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like any additional information on this brand new 2019 290 SDX, feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for